Welcome to this brief guide on how to add pixel-fed profiles to your Mastodon feed. As we're all beginning to utilize Mastodon as a form of Twitter replacement, I thought it would be worth having a look to see if there's a way to potentially use it as an Instagram replacement as well. And the great news is, it is. So here I am inside my Mastodon instance, and as you can see, I've got my Explore feed, and it's a lot of text-based content. I'm a massive fan of photos and photography in general, so I want more photos. Now, in a similar vein to the federated nature of Mastodon, there's a great service called PixelFed, which can be found at pixelfed.org. This is the similar sort of nature to Mastodon, but with the example of photography being its key nature. So here I have a couple of profiles that are available on PixelFed. In this particular case, these lovely little cute doggos. There's a whole feed full of them, and I would love to be able to brighten up my Mastodon timeline with some cute doggos. So what I can do is I can simply copy a link to this PixelFed profile, head back over to my Mastodon instance, and utilizing the search functionality, paste in the profile URL. This uses the profile URL search functionality of Mastodon to be able to locate that profile for me. I can click on it, and this will allow me to see the full profile. And as I scroll down through the profile, you'll be able to see that those lovely little doggo pictures that they have on their PixelFed feed are all available to me here in Mastodon as well. And just like any other profile, I can click on the button to follow them, and I can even use the bell if I wish to get profile notifications every time they post. Now, I'll just show off another example as well, and we'll head over to a pixelfed.de, one of the German PixelFed instances, and I can yet again click on the settings icon there, copy the profile link, and do a search for that instead in my instance of Mastodon. And just like for the cute little puppies, I'll be able to see Susie's little profile as well, all thanks to the power of the Fediverse. And I'll just give them a follow as well. And opening up this profile, I can see I can get some lovely little screaming cats to balance out those cute little doggos. And that is how you add more photos to your Mastodon timeline, courtesy of PixelFed. I hope you found this tip extremely useful and it brightens up your day, and I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more content like this, be sure to check out the channel, and if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.